In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change the Hostinger plan in Hostinger. So let's log in. Okay. And now what you're going to have to do is just to click on login, just log in. And then what you're going to have to do now is to pretty much click on here, business web hosting, and click on manage here. And now Now to change Hostinger plan, what you're gonna have to do basically is just to click on here, get a new Hostinger plan. We already have one. We can see here the business, this Hostinger plan, but we can click on manage here, and then we're gonna click on get a new Hostinger plan. And from here now, it's pretty simple. All you have to do now from here to select from a single plan to a premium plan to a business plan. So you can see now what are the features available for each plan, and you can decide which one to get. Now, which plan to get really depends on your needs. So if you have like a personal website with low traffic, I would go with the single web hosting. With this plan, you have one website, Now depends now what plan you have right now. If you maybe have a growing business or a small business, I think the premium web hosting, you have 100 websites, standard performance, really nice features. And you should consider this plan if you need to host multiple websites. You can expect more more traffic and you want additional features like free domains and WordPress support. Also, the business web hosting, this is great for really high traffic websites, small businesses, and also e-commerce, sorry. And it's really better performance as we can see here. And this is a great plan if you're running an online store, high traffic website. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful, and thanks for watching and take care.